We just got done with a 2-day crash course on the basics of financial planning. Here's some of the testimonials of people that thought the training was really valuable.
To my surprise, not only was this training very dynamic, very high energy, we had several guest speakers, a lawyer, a cryptocurrency, and I got to learn more advanced tactics. Anybody that's looking to learn strategies, tactics, and more importantly, be around other people who are driven and eager to succeed. Come join Manny and learn from him.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Seth. I'm here at the Financial Architects here in Chino Hills. About to teach my boy Manny, Pablo, and his big group how and everything about crypto. If I bring down the house, come follow me, check it out.
So Seth is an awesome person. He's going to be teaching you guys about cryptocurrency. I think that he's amazing. He's very knowledgeable in this subject matter, and I think that he's really going to teach you guys a ton about it. Can we give a roaring TFA welcome to Mr. Seth?
All right, how many of y'all remember Blockbuster? All right, what happened to Blockbuster? Where are they?
They died.
Right, if you had your money in stocks in Blockbuster, what happened to your money? Zero now, right? If you had your money in Netflix, how are you feeling now? Right, Facebook, Apple, Netflix, top 5 tech companies in the world. Making what, 15 bucks a month only per person? Like, that's nothing, right? I can go to Louis Vuitton and pay $3,000 for a bag. How is Netflix making more money? 330 million people in America, plus the rest of the world, 7.9 billion people. Money adds up. Look at Blockbuster, what it could have been.
I was expected to come in here and learn about maybe a couple of different types of policies, and it was just a lot that I learned.
When I get the question asked of what did I actually end up getting out of this course for 250 bucks, I mean, it was a steal. I feel like I should actually pay Manny a whole lot more for this course after I actually went through the course. So for anyone that's going to take the next one in December or the following one coming, I think that it would be one of the best investments that they could potentially make in themselves.
So the curriculum inside of the 2-day crash course had everything from basics of life insurance, what is term insurance versus a permanent insurance plan, as well as what is a Roth IRA, how is it different from a traditional IRA, why not to pay off your house, all these different basics, and then of course the wild card, which is cryptocurrency. Wouldn't you rather be educated versus not educated? Wouldn't you rather go into a conversation knowing a lot of the pretty much basics behind financial planning and then exiting with an educational guess at what exactly was recommended? Should I buy a house now? Should I buy it later? Should I refinance my property? All these different types of specifics that you always want to learn about, but you have no education behind you to make that certain action step. What if you could invest a certain portion of your money, learn all the specifics, all the basics behind what you're about to invest into, and then make that proper decision where you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars more inside of your already successful investment options. We look forward to seeing you in the next crash course here at the Financial Architects. Remember, a good opportunity only becomes great when you act on it. Thank you.